This video covers the main steps of setting up your Quest 2.5 adjustable base. To begin, place the carton in a desired location using 2 people to move the base at all times. Remove all tape and binding straps and lay the carton face down on the ground. Remove the base from the carton and slide off the plastic cover. Unfold the base so that the bottom side is facing up. Remove the items that were fastened to the base during shipping and set them aside. Make sure that all items are accounted for. This next step is optional and only necessary if you need to change the location of the wand voice control device to the other side of the base. Press down the mounting bracket tab and slide the wand toward the USB ports to remove it from the mounting bracket. Disconnect the wand to the control box cable via the 3-pin connector. When installing it on the other side, slide the wand device onto the mounting bracket until you feel it click into place. Reconnect the wand to the control box cable via the 3-pin connector and snap the tube into the tube clips to hold it in place. Slide the toggle on the wand device to your preferred invocation command of either Ergo or Motion. Uncoil the input cord connected to the control box's power port and plug it into the power supply. Then plug the power cord into the power supply. The legs are shipped fully assembled, but note that the legs can untwist into separate sections for custom leg height options. Screw the legs into the nutsert on each corner of the frame and opposite sides in the middle. Be careful not to over-tighten. Using 2 people, carefully flip the base over onto its legs. Do not drag across the floor or rest the frame on its side, as excessive pressure may damage the legs. Insert each end of the mattress retainer bar into the holes at the foot of the base. Rotate the bar so that it rests on the edge of the base. Remove the backside of the remote and install the remote batteries. Setup is now complete. Check to ensure the remote functions are working properly before placing the mattress onto the base. Also, check to ensure that the wand voice control device is working properly by using the invocation command, either Hello Ergo or Hello Motion. The blue light should illuminate to indicate the device is listening. You may now give a function command and wait for the base to adjust. See the owner's manual for additional information or call customer service at 1-888-550-3746.